In this video, I'm gonna talk about chatting with a seller on Temu. So since Temu is like the middleman, it's actually really difficult to come in contact with the seller directly. But what you can do is you can talk with Temu and then they can talk with the seller and then they'll tell you the answer back. So Temu is gonna act like the middleman. So the way that you can do this is you wanna head over to messages and you wanna start talking with customer support on Temu. Otherwise you can come here and then what you wanna do is go to your orders. What you should do is find the order if you have any issues with any order, and you can come to support. And once you're inside of the support and you're chatting, you can give them your order ID and stuff like this, and you can try and figure it out from in there. So if you have a specific question for the seller, you can tell Temu the question and they can bring it to the seller and then he can give it back to you. So that is currently the only way that you can do it right now, since you cannot get in contact with the seller directly unless you know who it is in person. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.